Okay, this is a short little video. I got back on Monday night late and just trying to settle back in here. We was away for like 7 days. Um, my wife and I aren't overly rich, but God blessed us with this little getaway, and we were so thankful for it. We went to Mexico. She was able to snag a trip for us there, and first time I've ever been there. It was really, really hot and humid. Wasn't used to the heat. I mean, the pools were great, the food was great, all inclusive. So it was really nice to be able to experience that. I got inspired down there because the crowds of people that were there, and just using up, like, it just seems like humanity uses up everything they can possibly use up to the maximum limit. And I'm thinking, for me and my wife, we were appreciating every little detail of it and just enjoying it because we realized that God had blessed us with this trip. So it was just an amazing time. There was a few hiccups here and there. I mean, the flights was pretty long, the flight there and the flight back, but we managed and had a great time together. I do have a word study, and I just thought of it. I never did this word, and being down there and seeing, what was going on in these resorts. The people, like, it just made me think of the word rich, or riches. People just use it up and they take it for granted. And I don't understand that. When you live like we have, me and my wife, over the years, we've struggled like a lot. And there's a lot of members of the body of Christ that still struggle with money, finances, and hard times to even survive and get food and things like that. We realize that God is providing for us. Yes, we do. But when it's taken to that limit, you do appreciate it. So the contrast is so great for us as believers, the experience of it. And I thank God so much for it. My wife was just so happy to be able to experience something like that. And myself, I could have done either with it or without it. It didn't matter to me, but, it was a really good experience. And I do have the word rich or riches for the next word study, and that's coming up. So I just wanted to let you know that we're back, and I thank God that I'm able to get back to work as far as work in the Lord. My delivery job is there, and I still am thankful for it. I wish I could get something better, but it's what God has for me right now, and that is so much appreciated because God does provide. And I thank God that I'm here and I'm back, and I will be doing more videos. So grace and peace.